Hey guys, so welcome back to another video where we clean my craft room because I can't keep it clean. Yeah, so today we're going to clean my craft room. I'm going to show you guys what we're working with before and then we'll see the after. So I want to move this out of here. This is my garden station. I need to get rid of these. They're all dead plants. I have a bunch of stuff from like the craft show over here. Bags of yarn that need to go on that shelf. Yeah, so we're gonna clean this up. In here, I have more craft fair stuff we have to put away. Hi, Vader. If we go over here, and then I have a bunch of yarn out here in my living room that needs to go not here. So we're gonna do some cleaning. Okay, so I got this area cleaned out. Another thing that I'm trying to do is ultimately get rid of a bunch of stuff that I don't use, so I'm gonna try to clean some stuff out too while I'm doing this, so yeah. Alright, we're making a little bit of progress. Yes, Shmi? I think he wants to be up there with Vader. Alright, so I filled up this bookshelf with some of my fabrics and just like bead boxes and my books and stuff down there. And then I just put my sewing machine to store on top of this thing where I have some like sewing projects in those bins. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this yarn shelf over here, and then I'm going to put this over here for more yarn storage. And yeah, then we'll fill this up with yarn and see how that goes. Alright, the wire shelf's empty and I found more shelves, so I'm going to probably reconfigure that a little bit. There's my pile of yarn. I think I'm going to use this to store my acrylic yarn, and then I'm going to use this to store my plush yarn. And maybe we're going to use it to store a little Shmi, huh? Is that your home now? Peter, what are you eating? Don't eat plastic. Alright, I still have a ton of yarn in the living room that I need to fill up with these, but this is what I have so far. So, up top I have my little Lily Sugar and Cream cottons. Here's all my like variegated cake type yarns. This is just some chunky yarn that I have. I don't have too much of it, so I just put it there. Down there I'm going to have like blacks and grays. Here I have white, brown, purple, blue, green, orange, yellow, reds, and pinks. So yeah, that's going to be all my acrylic yarn. I don't know what I'm going to put here yet. We'll see. These are some of my chunky yarns that I'm probably going to throw onto this shelf here. So I'm going to go grab the rest of my yarn and fill these up. So I might have a small yarn addiction. Oops. I did not know I had this much yarn. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, let's tackle putting all this yarn away before my cats eat it all. There's so much yarn. Slowly making more progress. Shmi's tired. This is what that yarn shelf looks like now. And here's this yarn shelf. And Vader's gonna go do what Vaders do best. But yeah, we're making some progress. This bin I'm putting all my crochet projects that are like unfinished, so that'll be that. Okay guys, we're pretty much almost done with cleaning the craft room. It is about 3:30. Honestly, not too bad. I feel like I started around 11-ish, so we're good. We got a lot more space in here. Everything's kind of put away now as best as it can be. But yeah, I also got rid of a ton of stuff. Let me show you. I still have this stuff out here because that's just craft fair stuff, and I don't know where to put it right now. Over here, this is all the stuff I am getting rid of. So I'm getting rid of that. One of my friends coming to get that. This, I have another friend coming to get this. This is all my clay stuff. I just don't use it anymore. Getting rid of it. That's a bunch of resin stuff. My one friend wants that. And then this is a box full of jewelry, mixed craft supplies. So I have to see what to do with that. But yeah, we're getting rid of all this stuff. So that's good. I figured I'm going to hurry up and get rid of it before I can be sad and regret it. Just get rid of it because I haven't used it in like 6 years, so I feel like there's no use in keeping it. And I just emptied that out. Don't have space for it. And then those are just my plushies that I'm working on for the craft fair. Alright you guys, I'm finally done cleaning up my craft room, rearranging stuff. There's still some stuff I need to figure out where to go, but it's as good as it's going to get. So let's do a little reveal. Okay, so over here I just have, that's all my current yarn projects that I need to do something with. Here I have all my acrylic yarns. It's kind of a mess, but I was running out of room. We have Frank the alpaca looking over all the yarn, because that's what he does. We have my Alex shorts here with all my stuff organized, Cricut vinyl. Got this shelf here with like my fabrics and stuff. I still have fabric there that I need to like roll onto comic book boards, but that's that right now. I have my threads up there, and then over here I have this shelf that has like current sewing projects in it. These are more current sewing projects, sewing machine, sewing stuff. My little sewing cart here next to my desk. We have the desk. That's kind of a mess, but yeah, printer, Cricut. I want to hang these up, but I don't know if I feel like getting on a ladder, so I don't know. And then we have this little shelf over here. Hello, Miles. We have this shelf over here, which has all my fluffy yarn that I use for plushies on it. Yeah, and then I threw my old TV in here with my PlayStation. Figured I could watch TV and stuff while I craft. We got little Vader toesies. Because he wants to sleep behind the TV, huh? Are you sleeping? Yeah? I don't know how well this is going to work because I don't know if I can really get to my zippers back there, but I think it'll be fine. Then we swing over to my closet where I have my shelving. I have like my shipping supplies there, photo booth thing, random old jewelry I made. Pillows, more old jewelry I made. These are like paints and stuff, and then buttons and stuff, and then I have like hardware and patterns and fabric and stuff in there. And then we have Miss Lola. I moved her cage. Vader. I moved her cage into the closet. I feel like it just opens up the space a little bit more. So she's hanging out in there for now. And Vader's digging in my chair. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you looking for? Are you making the bed comfy, huh? You making a comfy bed? Is that where you sleep now, huh? Okay, good night. Good night. Little cutie. But yeah, that's my nice little clean craft room now. Hopefully it stays like this for a little while. But I think I have more space now, so that'll be good. And now I can just kind of put my chair here, crochet, watch some TV, and not crochet in my living room anymore. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.